Hi, I'm Russ. Today I'm going to show you some machines to help you build your Powermatic Dream Shop. First up, we have the Powermatic PM 1500T 15-inch bandsaw. This beast is all about power and precision. It features a 3 horsepower single phase 230-volt motor. My favorite feature on this saw is the Armor Glide technology. It's all about more control and less maintenance. From resawing to intricate cuts, this saw has you covered. Next up, we have the PM 2820 EVS. This is a 20-inch gearhead drill press with electronic variable speed. Not only does this have crazy amount of power, but the electronic variable speed allows you to easily adjust the speed to accommodate a wide range of bits. Here we have the PM 2000T 10-inch table saw. Features a one-piece cast iron box trunnion. It's available in 3 horsepower 230-volt single phase, 5 horsepower 230-volt single phase, and 5 horsepower 230-volt or 463 phase. One of the best features of this saw is it's now available with Armor Glide technology. This technology is not only going to reduce friction and have very low maintenance, but it's going to reduce your workload. And truthfully, until you start using this saw, you can't imagine how hard it is to push a piece of wood across. This is truly the gold standard. This is the Powermatic 3520C lathe. It has a 2 horsepower single phase 230-volt motor. This thing is designed for the serious wood turner. If you like wood turning, this should be in your dream shop. This is the Powermatic PM 2200 HK Cyclone dust collector. It features a 3 horsepower 230-volt single phase motor. It has a HEPA filter. It has a large collection bin, and it even has an auto clean on top to keep that filter clean. This machine has all the power your dream shop needs. I know this looks like a fan, but it's actually a Powermatic PM 1250 air purifier. This thing will collect particles down to 0.1 microns. It's very quiet and it's very versatile. You can put it on the shelf, on a table, on the wall, or the ceiling. It comes with a radio frequency remote, and it is a must-have for any dream shop. So these are just a few highlights of the amazing Powermatic lineup. The Powermatic machines are designed to help inspire your creativity and help elevate your craftsmanship. So why not build your dream shop with Powermatic?